Hey everybody, it's Rhonda from Rhonda Nutrition, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy anti-inflammatory green smoothie. So let's jump into it and get started. So we're going to start with our base ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of almond milk or coconut milk or whatever you have, cashew, and 2 cups of spinach. We're going to add that in. And I recommend blending this first, so then that way the spinach becomes completely immersed. You won't have chunks of green spinach leaves in your smoothie. That is the trick right there. Okay, so that is blended through. I have some little pieces of spinach leaf still, like very, very fine, but I have no patience, so I'm just gonna keep going. If you want it super smooth, just keep going. Just keep blending it. I have a Granny Smith apple that's chopped. I am leaving the skins on. That has some fiber, some really good health benefits to it. I have 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple. You can use fresh, but frozen gives it that smoothie thick taste, or texture I should say. Next, we're going to do some hemp hearts. And I'm going to do a tablespoon of hemp hearts. We're going to do a teaspoon of chia seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, plus, oh no, not 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Oh, that could have been so bad. It's 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, or just a few shakes. Because for the turmeric to activate, you want to have some pepper, whether it's cayenne or just black pepper, and a fat source. So I'm also going to add some coconut oil to it. I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can use the MCT, you can use normal solid coconut oil, which is what I usually use. Just I was able to reach that because I forgot to bring it out to the ingredients. So I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to blend this. That's all there is to it. The ingredients like pineapple, apple, the spinach, the turmeric, chia seeds, hemp seeds, like pretty much every single thing I put in here, especially the coconut oil, is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. Now, I myself have chronic urticaria, which is chronic hives, and this is a drink that helps settle it, especially over time if I drink it daily. Same with my thyroid disease. I don't have a thyroid. It's just one of those things that will help. And if all fails, it's healthy fruits and vegetables. I mean, you can't go wrong there. You can use store-bought almond milk. You can make your own. I will post in the video in the card how to make your own almond milk. I do have a video on that. And then you just pour it, and look how green it is. And now I know green looks unappealing, but I promise you it's so good. And I mean, one way you can try to get your picky eater to have it is call it a Hulk smoothie. Sometimes that works on my son, sometimes it doesn't, although he is starting to associate green with good because the pineapple, the fruit stuff, or the fruit ingredients, I make it taste good. I don't like savory smoothies. I like a sweet smoothie. So this is right up my alley. If you need a little sweeter, you could always add a teaspoon of honey. So just make it your own way, make it work for you. Like, look at this color. Isn't that amazing? And I mean, if you want a treat, you could always have one of my gluten-free shortbread cookies. I just made those. The video is already up, I think, or it's coming out next week. It was either the one before this or next week. I'm not quite sure. My little one, as you can hear her going, So this is it. Here is the color. Look at how, oh, she's moving my camera. Look at how green it is, how delicious it is. And I'm going to link the full recipe so you can pin it for later as I move with the camera here in the caption below. And don't forget to sign up for my library, my nutrition resource library, where I'm going to send you nutrition tips and give you access to some free meal plans. So I will also put that in the caption as well. Until next time, just keep cooking, keep experimenting in the kitchen, and we'll chat later. Bye.